Hi guys!
Welcome to another episode of Girls Unchecked. Today we are doing something different.
Yes.
पहले तो we would like to apologize for being MIA for the past few weeks.
Yeah.
We were busy doing girl
We
things.
we were traveling,
Yeah.
like she was traveling.
I was traveling.
And we did record one video,
Yeah.
but it got deleted by me.
It होता रहता है. It's
हाँ.
fine.
Like that was an honest mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो आज हमने सोचा we are going to do something super fun. And instead of we both talking about a single topic, we are going to try and find out some spice, some dirt about each other. What do you say, Shania?
Yes, we are playing Never Have I Ever.
Spicy never have I ever. I'm going to drink today.
So we are health freaks. So
She
she is also becoming. I'm inspiring her.
Yeah.
तो हम लोग अल्कोहल से एकदम नो वी डोंट प्रमोट अल्कोहल वी डोंट हैव अल्कोहल तो इसीलिए हम लोग अल्कोहल नहीं ले रहे वील हैव सिट्रलिन मैलिट
So we wanted to have something that would be nasty as having a neat alcohol shot.
या राइट
But healthy.
बट हेल्दी
So-
सो इट्स अ सप्लीमेंट
Yeah.
एंड वो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ाने के लिए यूज होता है बट इट टेस्ट रियली बैड और हमने उसका कंसंट्रेशन भी बढ़ा दिया है
Yes.
सो नाउ इट्स गोइंग टू टेस्ट इवन वर्स इट हैज अ वेरी सार अनप्लेजेंट टाइप
Yeah.
ऑफ टेस्ट तो हम लोग को
my
बहुत
God.
मजा आएगा व्हेन वी टेक इट
And by the way, I am going to try this for the first time on camera. So I don't even know what to expect.
I have like I do diluted but ये उतना diluted नहीं है so it's going to taste really bad.
Okay, so आज का game का rules I think almost everyone knows about Never Have I Ever. We are going to we have a bunch of cards. So we are going to pick the questions and if we have done something that's on the card, we have to drink the shot and probably tell a little bit. If we don't
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
tell, then we
So
will
we
have to take 2 shots.
Oh my god.
If you don't want to explain yourself further, then you have to take 2 shots. If you want to explain yourself, then you have to take 1 shot and then
Okay.
explain.
Let's do
And
that.
if you have not done something, then you are
Let's
good
do that.
to go.
Let's do that. Let's start.
Okay, so we'll start with the first shot. Let me make this citrullal mallet.
Citrullal mallet.
I hope मैं इतनी सीधी सादी बंदी हूँ कि मेरे को पीना ही ना पड़े. I have not done anything that comes up in the card.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so this is just a bunch of cards that I've taken, but to make it more interesting, I've picked the ones which are like extra spicy.
Okay.
So let's shuffle it and
Okay.
see कौन सा आता है.
ठीक है. मैं start करूँगी क्या?
Yes,
Okay.
pick one, anyone.
सबसे ऊपर वाला.
Okay.
Okay. Never have I ever convinced a friend to dump a partner.
Okay.
I've never done that.
Really?
No, I've never convinced anyone to dump somebody. कोई किसी ने मेरा सुना भी नहीं है इतना अगर सुना होता तो सबकी लाइफ कितनी बेटर होती.
हाँ, that's true. I'll keep this aside. I think, I mean, I have given advice where
एडवाइस नहीं कन्विंस किया कि डंप कर दो.
No, I haven't. I haven't been successful. I've tried,
हाँ.
but no one has dumped their partners from my advice.
I've seen my friend doing it to another friend and she actually dumped the guy.
Okay.
And
I
that
was
was-
very
that was
successful in getting through to one of my friends ki your boyfriend is toxic.
But did she dump him?
No,
So
that's
then
why
that
I
doesn't
can't.
count.
I can't.
Yeah.
drink,
Next
right?
card.
Next.
Okay, I'll take this one. Never have I ever kissed someone in public.
Oh fuck. Have you?
Have you?
Cheers.
I can't reach
Sorry.
it. Okay.
Okay.
Cheers. You have to talk about it. Look at her face.
Oh my god.
The aftertaste is even worse. It's really bad. Look at her face.
What were we talking about?
So, when did you kiss somebody? Just talk about the story.
Okay. Then you're going to talk about it too, right?
Otherwise, I have to take shot, yeah.
Bitch. Okay. So, you know, when I was a teenager, raging hormones.
Oh, that lift wala?
Yeah.
Yeah. Batao.
So, with my first high school boyfriend, हम लोग स्कूल के बाद हमारे स्कूल के पास there was this mall that we used to go to frequently and we were in I think 11th or 12th So we just thought of a plan wherein, like, you know, let's go to the lift, let's go to the top floor or the ground floor, and like the maximum length that the elevator can travel. And we were like doing our own thing, and we were in this hug and embrace in the lift when the lift opened up, and it was a bunch of college guys, like seniors, early 20s or something, and we were in this like this, and we looked at them and they were like, oh my god, it was so embarrassing. हमने एक दूसरे को देखा भी नहीं, वो लड़कों का पूरा गैदरिंग था, मैं भाग के निकली एक तरफ, वो भाग के निकला एक तरफ, and we did not even have a phone. We were coming from school directly to the mall, so we were all supposed to hang out together. वो कहीं और चला गया, मैं कहीं और चली गई, and then we had to spend another आधा घंटा trying to find each other in the mall. Yeah, that's my public kiss. You tell me yours, and you're not going to drink one shot.
Arey, okay, I'll
Yeah.
tell. So,
Okay.
freshers party, and we kissed. That's
I
it.
mean, wow. Tell me more, please. Like how it happened, where it happened, how
It
it
just
was public.
happened, man. I'm
I
not
mean,
supposed
kahan
to.
pe tha? How do you call it public? Why would you say?
Because
it's public?
everybody was there, everybody was partying, and we were drunk for like the first time, like
Okay.
proper drunk.
Okay.
And like he was, not me, because I was not drinking. So he wanted to kiss me, and I was so drunk in love.
You were drunk
that I
in
did.
love. Yeah. So you did it in front of everyone, like.
Yeah. And nobody was actually paying attention because वहाँ इतना.
I think everyone
Yeah,
was-
it was kind of a disco setup. तो बहुत darkness थी, बस disco lights चल रहे थे, and everybody was enjoying, partying, dancing, and we just kissed.
That's like a sweet public kiss,
Yeah.
not traumatizing.
No, it
like
was not
mine.
like that. Of course.
Okay.
This one. Never have I ever role played.
Okay. Ugh. I'm going to drink one more because I don't want to talk about it.
Oh my god!
gonna
You
take a
really
sip.
don't want to talk about it, right?
I don't want to talk about it. If you don't want to drink, you want to drink.
I don't want to talk about it either. I can drink 3 shots rather than talking about it.
Oh my god. Yeah.
This is
Why do I
torturous.
feel like alcohol would have been better?
Alcohol would have been better. Anyway, okay.
Okay.
Next shot.
Next card. I'll pick one now. You give me.
Pick any.
Never have I ever snooped through a friend's room.
No.
Me either.
Okay. Never have I ever grabbed the wrong person's hand.
I have actually.
I have not done that.
Okay. So while I'm making this drink, I'll just give you a quick story. This happened when I was very, very young, and I was in Kolkata, and we were having Durga Puja, and मेरे मम्मी पापा were just still in front of the murti praying, and मैं छोटी थी, and I was done with my praying. So somehow I thought कि this person passing by me was my dad, and मैंने उनका हाथ पकड़ लिया, and I was like skeptical कि मैं पकड़ रही हूँ और ये बंदा मेरा हाथ अच्छे से पकड़ क्यों नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि मेरे पापा तो पकड़ लेंगे. And then I looked up at him, and there was this equally confused middle-aged man looking at me like चाहते क्या हो. And then I looked back and I saw both my parents are unaware, still खड़े हैं, pray कर रहे हैं. I'm like, oh my god. मैं भाग के जाके मैं उनके पास खड़ी हो गई.
That's a funny story.
So that's how it happened. So cheers.
Cheers. Never have I ever tried to make an ex jealous. No.
No.
I have tried to insult. Not. No. Not
I haven't
jealous.
tried to make any ex jealous because for me, when it's done, it's done. Clean break.
That's good. Drunk dialed by an ex. By an ex.
Buy an ex.
Not for me.
No, I didn't make it interesting. Have you ever drunk dialed an ex?
No. Like my ex have tried to contact me but never drunk. Tumhara?
नहीं, मेरा किसी ने किया भी नहीं है. मैंने भी किसी, not an ex, like once I drunk dialed a crush I had,
ex.
but it's not an ex.
Okay.
I'm so thankful that I did not have to drink.
Slept outdoors for an entire night.
We have done it, you and me.
No. We came back at 2. You did 5 a.m. thing with that your boyfriend.
No,
Yeah.
that also happened, but एक बार हम दोनों, we took vodka and
We
some.
came back, babe. We booked a cab and we came back. You don't remember the cab? It was 2.
Was it two?
It was 2.
Okay, we had planned to do
Next
it,
time,
but then
but
it
we-
was too cold and we
हाँ,
could not do it.
हाँ.
But I did that with one of my
Boyfriends, yeah.
at the time. We stayed out.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे इसके फ्लैट के छत पे I stayed with my boyfriend all night talking.
She is very intrusive. ये क्या शॉर्ट लेना है यार? हाँ चलो.
Why? I'll have one chips also. Cheers.
That's a नींबू. चलो इतना भी बुरा नहीं है जितना फेस बना रही हो.
The more I'm drinking, the worse it's getting. It's like the aftertaste is not leaving my mouth.
Alcohol के साथ at least the more you drink it gets better.
Yeah, because you get drunk. Never have I ever fought with a partner in public. You have?
Yes. You have fought?
No.
No? Lucky bitch. Okay, only half shot. You're also taking half shot. इतना
You are
दे दिया.
drinking less than me.
So what? मैं क्या करूँ तुमने कांड किया है?
Okay.
Friends with benefits. No.
I've tried, never successful, so I'm not gonna drink.
You have tried, right? Drink.
No!
Had a friend with benefits. You have had. Chalo,
Never have
पियो.
I ever had
Chalo.
a friend
With benefits. Chalo.
But it was not successful.
But it happened.
I ended up getting feelings,
But it happened.
or the guy ended up getting feelings.
But it happened.
Why do you want to make me drink this?
Because you're drinking less. आधा आधा ले रही हो तुम. You can drink it. Come on, it's not
It's
that
not
tough.
my fault कि मैंने इतने सारे कांड कर रखे हैं.
It's your fault. Whose fault is it?
It's not mine.
Come on, Shirin. Yeah, that's it.
Never have I ever kissed more than one person in 24 hours. Have you?
No.
I haven't either.
I feel like you're lying.
I
Come on, Shirin.
no,
Short.
let me try to remember. Genuinely, am I that terrible of a? You are making a very ganda gesture, by the way.
I'm saying short.
It looks very.
मेरे दिमाग में वही रहता है. That's why.
Okay. Cheers.
You didn't pour anything. हाँ तो वो पुराने वाले का था. It doesn't
Stop
count.
talking me.
अच्छा, you can take one more. Come on.
No.
If you don't, you want to talk about it? Come on.
So जब मैं college में थी, I had more than one crush, and then one fine day I got more than one opportunity to be with those more than one crush, and I was still trying to figure out who I want to be with. So one was a passionate kiss, and then one was a like a gentle pyara wala. You know, like rubbing, like messing up your hair. Then
You
kissing
still have
on
to
the
drink the
nose.
shot.
No, I talked about it.
But that was the leftover from the previous one, na?
I'm
That
not
doesn't
drinking
count.
anymore. I'm not. I'm gonna puke on you.
You have to follow the rules at least.
I drank. Oh, I can't do this. Never have I ever went 24 hours without showering. You have. Drink. I'll pour you a big one.
Why big? Why big? Babe, you didn't even drink a proper shot. ठीक है वो
I'm so
leftover
angry
पी
with
लिया.
you right
Okay.
now. I'm fuming.
You were drinking leftover from the previous shot and counting it as a shot. New one.
तुमको आदत है ये पीने का.
नहीं है मुझे आदत. मैं खुद नहीं पीती हूँ.
Oh.
We have to talk about it. What was the 24 hours without? क्या बताए?
हाँ, इसमें बताने का क्या है? We stay in Bangalore. It's ठंडा weather.
विंटरी
Can't
कोल्ड,
really.
अ लॉट ऑफ कोल्ड। और मैं जिम जाने के बाद हमेशा नहाती हूँ, बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि मैं पूरे दिन घर पे ही बैठी हूँ, तो पूरे दिन घर पे 24 आवर्स बैठ के कौन गंदा हो जाता
By
है?
the way, studies have shown
हर दिन
people who
नहाना
don't
ज़रूरी
shower
नहीं है।
every day live longer. Never have I ever got seriously hungover.
Hangover?
I have terribly. I don't want to drink this. I wish I was hungover right now because then it wouldn't
And
taste
I'm
so
pouring
bad.
you. तुम चीटिंग करता हो।
I can't drink this anymore. It's so horrible.
मुझे अपने लिए नहीं चाहिए।
क्यों?
I have never had a hangover. बैड तो छोड़ो, मुझे hangover ही नहीं आया है।
This hurts even more. Like अगर हम दोनों पी रहे होते ना तो I would be like क्योंकि you are sharing in my pain.
अच्छा, I'm sharing, I'm feeling, I'm remembering the taste
Shut
of
up!
it.
I'm going to throw this in your face. I want to end this podcast now. I'm done with
Okay,
this
we have
episode.
just 5 more cards left.
Oh
We'll pick
God.
3.
Okay. Never have I ever lied on a dating profile.
I've never lied.
I have never either.
Okay.
मेरा dating profile ही नहीं था firstly तो.
अरे मजाक में टिंडर में तो बनाया था हम दोनों ने। We were dating at that time, we had boyfriends, but just like we were so young, टिंडर का कुछ हम लोग को
हाँ,
आइडिया ही नहीं था,
हाँ,
तो हमने बस ऐसे ही बना
I think
दिया।
that too was for half a day.
2-3 days. I had no idea कि लोग इतना पागल हो जाते हैं 2-3 दिन में, इतना ज़्यादा स्वाइप्स, रिक्वेस्ट, ये मतलब मुझे लगा कि फेसबुक पे 3 दिन के अंदर कोई फ्रेंड नहीं बनता, तो यहाँ भी कुछ नहीं होगा, बट टिंडर इज डिफरेंट।
Never have I ever peed in a pool. I have never. Never have I ever read a partner's text messages.
I have read.
I have read as well.
Fun
I
के लिए
haven't
भी
done it
करती
in
हूँ
a
मैं।
long time. But I think when I was in high school, उस time तुम लोग like हम लोग का insecurity भी ज़्यादा होता है. Plus उस time it's very normal to want to ask your partners, you know, Facebook password and all. Like if you love me, you have to share your password, right? So
Yeah,
that
but
time,
I have never done that.
Okay.
But मैंने like fun में किया, like होता है ना उसका फोन बस अपने फोन से बोर हो गए तो उसका फोन चेक, उसका मैसेजेस चेक कर लिए, बस वो फन।
I've never actually done that because I find it like for me personally, I couldn't care less about what they're like. It's like if I'm with someone, I trust them completely, and
Yeah.
if I don't trust them, I can't be with them. तो मेरे लिए वो नहीं है कि
मेरे लिए ट्रस्ट का इशू नहीं था, मेरे लिए ये इशू था कि मेरा पार्टनर मेरे को ज़्यादा कुछ शेयर ही नहीं करता है।
हाँ, then it can be a bit of a problem.
प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं, आई वाज लाइक कि लेट्स लाइक अपने लाइफ के बारे में तो ये मुझे खुद से ज़्यादा
किसी और
बताता
को
नहीं
बताता होगा
है।
कि
नहीं वो भी नहीं, मुझे था कि चलो इधर से ही थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले कि इसके लाइफ में चल क्या रहा है भाई।
Like picking up whatever you can get. right?
एग्जैक्टली, लाइक आई हैव नो ट्रस्ट इश्यूज, बट वो था।
हाँ.
I forgot the taste. It's bad. ठीक है,
Okay.
we have last 2 cards. Small one.
Never have I ever been in handcuffs.
I've never been in handcuffs.
Really?
Come on, drink. You drink, Shirin. I can see from your face. You're a bad liar. You know that.
To drink too.
You don't want to talk about it.
No.
Drink too. Drink proper ones. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि एक पिया थोड़ा सा पी के फिर से पी लिया 2 हो गया.
Why did I have to choose this one?
It's tasty ना. Think about it कि ये बहुत tasty, और फिर अपने mind में तुम इसको devilize.
My mom is going to watch this. I can't. I wish at this moment I wish I could talk about it just so that I don't have to drink another shot. But I can't talk about it.
It's not my problem. Your mom's watching this.
Such a fucking bitch you are.
Overacting.
Why did I think this was going to be fun?
I don't know.
Can I have some water and then?
Yeah, sure. You can have whatever you want.
This podcast turned from spicy never have I ever
To torturous.
torturing Shireen. That's the topic of this episode. Why did I have to be in handcuffs?
Come on. At least more than half, huh? Take it. Very good. This counts.
थोड़ा डाल दो।
ठीक है. Wow. मैंने तो बोला था वो वाला रखो where you don't want to talk about it. Then you take a shot, otherwise you don't take a shot. But तुम्हें ही था नहीं, never have I ever, मैं तो shots पीते हैं.
Oh my eyes.
Last
Tearing
card,
up now.
last card, babe. Thrown a drink at someone.
No, I haven't.
I have done it
You're gonna have one shot. When did you throw a drink on someone?
on my brother. That's it. And we are done. All the cards. Sorry.
I'm
Finished
so
it.
grateful for this to be done, this to be over.
I'm glad कि हम लोग को मजा.
मेरे को बहुत मजा आया.
Okay, so game was great. I'm glad that we completed the game. आधे में नहीं छोड़ा हमने. And I'm very happy that we were honest. We were really very very honest with the questions. And I'm very happy कि तुम puke नहीं की.
Yeah. You don't know what's going to happen after the camera shuts off, but अभी तक नहीं किया मैंने.
Yes. On camera नहीं किया. ठीक है.
Kudos to me.
Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. We hope you had fun watching. Shirin didn't have any fun while recording, but आपको मजा आया हो.
हाँ, मेरा misery देख के अगर किसी को मजा आया,
Then it was worth
please
it.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. I deserve it more than her. Just for my sake, just like and comment and share.